how to create Google Ads conversion action. Under settings, there are some terms and conditions of using Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking. So definitely read through that. In this video session, I'll show you how to create conversion action if you're using Google Analytics. If you're not using Google Analytics, perhaps you should use Google Analytics, because you can link Analytics with Google Ads. Then you'll have more powerful conversion tracking options. So you can link Google Ads, or you can actually do it from Tools, Data Manager. You can link Google Analytics here as well, or different Google products. Also, let me share some tips and insights before I show you how to create conversion action. When you want to track enhanced tracking, under data stream, you should enable enhanced measurements. But surely you need to be aware of consent settings, which are important if you're using Google Ads conversion tracking. So now all you need to do is really just create conversion action. In the next step, because you link Google Analytics, conversions on a website. Let's imagine you want to create ads for a local business and you want to track conversions from phone calls. Well, that option is there for you as well. Also, offline conversion tracking. That's going to be too technical, so I won't cover that in this tutorial, okay? So now let's actually edit that. I'll show you this step. Simply provide your website URL here and let it scan, because then it's going to go ahead, look at the code on your website, and it's going to find Google tags. And if you haven't installed that, in the previous video session I've shown you how to install it. Then simply select the Google tag. In this example, you can see that if you're using Google Tag Manager, you have that option. And then save and continue. Google Ads gives you very powerful conversion tracking capabilities, including engagements as well. So I cannot cover all of this, but rather let's say purchase. It's going to go ahead, it's going to look at Google Analytics events, because we can create custom events if we want and make that available in our Google Ads account. So whether you're a local business or an e-commerce operator, you want to look at Google Analytics and create events and mark them as key events, which are the most important for your business website, because then you'll have those available for you to track and create campaigns accordingly. Let's select someone purchasing a premium course from Rankia website. Let's say I want to track that, and let's save and continue, and that's it. And all you need to do is press finish, and under your summary, as you create campaigns and achieve your conversions, you'll see details accordingly. Furthermore, when you create campaigns, now you can select conversion for your bidding strategy and let Google systems work out the best performing methods for you to achieve your conversions.